Welcome to this PicoCalc project. Continuing from my last build, Mini Missile Command, this time I'm using MMBasic to create a tiny platformer. Every level in this game is handcrafted with simple basic code, but together they form a surprisingly dynamic world. We'll walk through some of the code, all contained in a single file, and then demonstrate the game running on the Clockwork PicoCalc, a programmable calculator that uses WebMite on the Pico 2. The core game loop handles everything: movement, gravity, collisions, enemies, rain, and even teleporters. In Mini Hex Jump, gravity constantly pulls the player downward, giving every jump a smooth, natural arc. Each moment you're in the air, the fall gets a little faster until you finally touch the ground or a platform. When you land, the game recognizes it and sets the player as on the ground, letting you jump again. It's a simple system, but it makes the whole platformer feel alive and responsive. Each level is built as a clean block of code, with toggles for moving enemies, platforms, patrol zones, and rain effects. Level 8 introduces a rain system that animates in real time, with each drop falling, erasing, and respawning to keep the screen alive. Level 9 adds enemy patrol zones, giving enemies simple AI that makes the world feel reactive. And in Level 10, teleporters let you warp across the map instantly, opening up new puzzle-style layouts. Mini Hex Jump is a great example of how much you can create with just a few lines of code and a lot of imagination. I leave you with some gameplay. Thank you for watching.